Careful of the brisky, Cuán.
Don't worry. Now, who wants an apple? Wallat Ulfia? Let a ho.
Wallat ul, Bruno? Fia! Why won't Snowy and Bruno talk to us? It's not very nice.
How are they your best friends when they're not even friendly?
Huh? Of course. All the animals on Fairy Island can talk, so the fairies have no idea
That teddies can't speak.
What? They don't speak at all?
Berini are better at listening. If you're upset, a Berrine will make you feel much better. Right, Fia?
They're the best huggers around. Oh, I see. Oh, we understand now, Berini. No need to chat. Just enjoy some lovely brisky. Oh, no. The Ula must have broken them.
Oh.
Bláithín, Wallat Bruno? A hug from a teddy bear might help. A barrog might be nice.
I'm sorry, Bláithín. I broke the brisky. Oh, I feel terrible.
Why don't you tell Snowy about it?
Bláithín spent all morning baking brisky, and I broke them by accident, and now she's sad.
Give Snowy a barrog, Cuán.
Oh, a barrog from a berrine is very warm and fuzzy.
The brisky still tastes great, you know, even if they are broken. Exactly. See, making you feel better is what teddies do best.